At Tipton Ford, we know routine maintenance is important. That's why we designed our service center to work for you, making the processes as easy and convenient as possible. A well-maintained vehicle will have fewer mechanical failures, plus it will better retain its resale value. And honestly, it's cheaper to maintain your vehicle than it is to fix it when it inevitably breaks down. Here at Tipton Ford, we make maintaining your vehicle easy with the Works Package. The Works Package includes an oil change and tire rotation. It also includes an important check of critical items under the hood and under the car. During that check, we use this handy report card to keep track of your vehicle's health. If we notice something is off, we'll notify you and offer a solution. When you're ready to schedule your next maintenance appointment, go online to tiptonford.com or open the FordPass app. It makes scheduling fast, easy, and convenient. Be sure to follow us on social for more Tipton tips on how you can spend less, drive more.